What's good, YouTube? All knowing and loving, all feeling, all seeing, all powerful. Just damn all everything. Sexy as hell, host of the Life Gains channel. Lamont Tyson in the booth with you guys. I'm rocking the new Kodi No Limits bill. I've got a lot of good live TV access in this one. Good HD quality movies. And actually, ladies and gentlemen, this is Kodi Krypton 17.0. It just looks similar to Jarvis 16.1, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you guys how to set this so it looks just like that. And just to remind you guys, I do Kodi streaming media Monday through Wednesday. Thursday night is Fire Stick and Chill, showing you guys what you can watch so you're not wasting time searching for movies. And then throughout the weekend is what I can do to help you guys in your pocketbooks, in your wallets, whatever you call, how you store your money, save your money, increase your funds. That's what we do on the weekend. First things first, I'm jumping right into the action. They got Hidden Figures. Y'all know this is still in the theater. Let's give it a click. From here, you can pick a stream, and guys, they've got them in great HD stream. Let's go ahead and rock with this one. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Hidden Figures. And pretty much, I ain't going to say crystal clear. I'm going to say mirror clear HD, alright? Escape on out of there. So, that's your movie section. This is your TV show section. And these widgets are working fine. I'm going to click Game of Thrones, which y'all need to be looking at. And you can go through the widgets and get on. I'm going to click this last one. And from here, you can jump right into your favorite episodes or whatever episodes you want to see. Let's click this one. Pick your stream, ladies and gentlemen, and stream away. Alright, there you have it. We in there like German swimmers. Game of Thrones. Alright, moving right along. Next, you've got more, which you can click. This is just kind of a little list of different things you can click on at your own leisure and entertainment. Then over here, you guys' favorite section, the live TV, and I'm going to give it a click. I saw one in here that I had never seen before, Made in Canada IPTV. We're going to click on that one. Here's the USA list. We're going to give it a click. And let's see what they got in here. ABC, CBS, Fox, Bravo, Freeform, Showtime, HBO. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, while we stroll and we take a look at what's in here, let's give a little click on USA Network. USA Network, ladies and gents. What else they got down here? They've got the news. Let's see what our crazy as hell president is doing.
A fact.
Alright, there's Fox News and their alternative facts. And let's see here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you know I got to give a shout out to the lady followers on this channel. So I got to rep them and give them what they want to see. Let's click on Bravo.
I can't tell you any.
Let's keep right on rolling. So you got live TV, and it's got your various different sports channels. These work pretty well. You can click on those at your leisure. You got your Phoenix group that I'm always telling you guys don't overlook. For my international folks, you might want to click in Crusader. Here's a list of the international channels. It's something for whatever your ethnic flavor is. Just go in there and click around with it. Something for everybody in that one. You know, this channel doesn't put up walls and barriers to prevent different ethnic groups from getting in here. I am an all access channel. I take all, I love all. Then you've got the Evolved Titan, UK Turks, Her Place, another good one from Phoenix Group. And then, of course, last one we're going to code search, because you know why? Nobody code search like me. Alright, I gave a click on that. We're going to click on scenes. Let's try porn tracks. And let's give a click on Naughty Office. Oh, goodness.
America. Nobody nobody.
Alright, there you have it, my filthy McNasties. Keep on being filthy McNasty out there, keeping this earth populated. Alright, scrolling right along, you got your section for your tools at the community portal, Echo Wizard. Then you got your systems, buttons, and features down here. Here's your file manager in case you want to add something else. There's your program add-ons, music add-ons for my folks that's into the music like rocking out. Then of course you got your power. There's your goodies for the kids. And here's your music section, alright? Now ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to get it. I'm going to show you how to turn it into Java 16.1, something that you're more familiar with, to make this a little bit more easier. But before we do all that, let me show you guys how you can fresh start from this particular build on your Krypton 17.0. So you can just come down here to click on Echo Wizard. Alright, there's several ways you can do this, but I would say probably the easiest, the path of least resistance for you guys would be just scroll down here and you are going to look for, where is it? Click on Maintenance Tools, System Reset. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to click the Systems Reset. From there, I'm going to have a fresh Kodi and I'm going to show you guys how to get this and turn it into 16.1. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, to get this build, first thing we're going to do, for those of you that are a little leery about Kodi 17 looking the way it looks, we're going to go ahead and change the format to be a little bit more what you're familiar with. And you're just going to come up here to this button right here. Come to Interface Settings. Alright, just come on down here to Skins, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to click Skins. And the one that was on Jarvis 16.1 was the Confluence. You're just going to come over here to Get More because it's not down here. Click on Get More and just scroll. See, there it is, Confluence. Give it a click. It's going to do its thing and it's going to reset, and this is going to look just like the Kodi you guys are used to. Alright, it's done it. Would you like to keep this change? A sexy as hell yes. Alright, so now you can escape out of this. Buttons are a little different, but it's all good. It's what you're familiar with. Now you can go ahead and come on over here to Settings, Systems, File Manager. And I'm going to show you what this source is. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the source you are looking for is http://kodinolimits.com/Kodi. Again, http://kodinolimits.com/Kodi. Down here again, as always, name it whatever you want. Hell, name it me. Name it Life Games. Or name it Sexy as Hell No Limits. Whatever, just make sure you remember it. You're going to give a click on OK. We're going to leave this screen. You're going to go ahead and click your add-ons, alright? We're going to install from the zip. That's okay, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to pop up, and you're going to see this with the Krypton 17. You just want to go ahead and enable unknown sources. So let's go to Settings. Unknown sources. Bam, we got it. Alright. Now we're going to get back on out of that. Go ahead and install from my zip. And what did we name it? No Limits. Scroll on down here, No Limits Wizard. Give a click. Wait for it to populate. Over there in the right hand bottom corner, the usual. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, No Limits Wizard is enabled. Okay, you're going to escape on out of that. Go to your programs. There you have it, No Limits Wizard. Give it a click. And from here, you can pick any of these builds that you like, ladies and gentlemen, as long as it has the Krypton version. So let's see here. I'm going to click this one just because I haven't done much for my Filthy McNasty game in a while. So click that one. Ladies and gentlemen, let it do its thing. This will work on Fire Stick or any one of your streaming devices. When it's done, if you are on a streaming device, disconnect the power. and connect it back, launch Kodi, and you will have the no limits build for Krypton 17. That's going to do it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, and subscribe. Go out there, get yourself that life game. Always be sure to check my video description box below this video. Check me out, my past videos. Do business with me, do business with my affiliates. Hit me up at www.facebook.com/lifegains07. And I will see you all on the next Sexy as Hell video.